Installation instructions of combined mechanical and electrical strength tester. Combined mechanical and electrical strength test is composed of 6 parts. Operating host, power transformer, testing host, hydraulic station, testing transformer, transformer regulator. Firstly, connect the control line, which is the stainless steel pipe of the host, and the hydraulic station line to our control panel, and connect them according to the line number. Secondly, connect the transformer line. First, connect the power line of the transformer. Here, connect the 2 red ones casually, and the 2 yellow ones casually. Match the colors, and connect the black ones to the ground. These 5 wires are connected here. The red ones represent the input terminals to input terminals. The yellow ones represent the 2 instrument lines, and the black ones represent the grounding on this side. Then, connect it from the ground to the grounding terminal. Connect another grounding wire to the grounding wire of our equipment, and connect it to the bottom of our sample. High voltage output end. Connect the high voltage line. To the top of the sample. Behind the voltage regulator, there is a fiber optic communication module with 2 yellow wires. This marked one is connected to RX on this side, while unmarked ones are connected to TX. Then connect to the back of our console. Where the marked ones connect to our TX, and the unmarked ones connect to our RX. Connect the oil pipe. There is an oil pipe from the equipment host to our hydraulic station. For those marked with A, follow the A mark. For those marked with B, connect them to the B mark. For hydraulic oil, 46 anti where hydraulic oil is required. This is the refueling port. Add the oil level to more than half of the level gauge. This is a drain port for the hydraulic station. Finally, connect the main power supply of the device. 208V to 380V is the power supply for our control cabinet. Firstly, connect the 208V power supply. Then, the 380V power cord has been marked and connected to the rear of the console, which is here. This is a 120V to 20V transformer. This is the control power supply for the voltage regulator. After connecting 120V, connect our power cables L and N. After connecting the power cord, connect it. Indicator lights. This indicator light will first beep for a period of time, and then after the connector is turned off, the indicator light will stop beeping. Once there is high voltage, a red light alarm will light up. after the power is supplied to the control panel. The power indicator light and the power stop light will light up. Firstly, turn on the power. After starting, press the computer power button and wait for the computer to turn on. After booting up, open the operating software. This side is the high pressure part. This side displays the force value. This is the peak force of the force value max force. This is the displacement of the equipment. And this is the displacement of the oil cylinder. This is oil pump. Release the emergency stop button. Click the green button to start the oil pump. This is the remote control for our device. First, release the emergency stop. Rotate clockwise to release. Press power on once. The green light indicates normal operation. The up key indicates the upward movement of the oil cylinder. And the down key indicates the downward movement of the oil cylinder. First, choose the appropriate tooling and rise. Hang the product. Close the hose door after mounting the product. Click Add. Add a new folder. Set the test name and equipment number. The information also could be changed. And click Save. Click Yes to save it to the newly added folder. Then, set the target value for the experiment. The hold time is 0. And click Add. This is the first step. If a second step is needed, it can be added step by step. You can set different force values and speeds. Click Add. We can only apply force from small to large, not from large to small. After setting up, click Start to proceed with the test. Here is the option for selecting high voltage. If checked, the voltage will be applied to 40 kV first, followed by the applied force value to the set value. If not checked, force value will be directly applied to the set value. We will now check the box and click on Start to begin the experiment. The force value is set to 5 kN. The voltage will be applied to 40 kV. And the force value will to be applied to the set value after the voltage reaching 40 kV first. The green curve represents the displacement. Now the test ends. As the set force value is 200 kN. When it reaches 200 kN, the equipment will consider the experiment completed. High pressure stops, the force stops.